Hey guys, it's Perry here and I'm back with another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Gvode Pour Over Coffee Maker, brought to you by Run Deals. And if you didn't know this already, Run Deals has a really awesome app that you can download and get exclusive offers to products a lot like the one that we're going to open up right now. So let's check it out. Already taken it from the Amazon box, but here it is, the Gvode Pour Over Coffee Maker. And let's get into it and see what it's like. Okay, so it just opens right up out of the foam. Okay, this is really neat. So it's just kind of old school, like you just put the coffee grinds, whatever coffee you're trying to brew or tea even, in this. Let's open it up. This is really, I don't know if you can see, this is a really amazing quality. So you just put whatever you are wanting to brew in here. Hey, baby. Then you dump the hot water, or I would be using hot purified water, down through, and then brew and let it steep. So really simple, guys, doesn't require any electricity, better for the environment, and it's just so cute, so minimalistic. Just so you guys can see a close-up of the top piece, the strainer is built in, so you don't even need a filter. Amazing. And then I just wanted to demonstrate for you really quick how to use it. So I have my coffee. Let me do about half because I'm only making a little cup. Boiling some water over here, and then I'm just going to add it to the coffee pot. Okay, I'm just going to add the water. It's straining perfectly. So guys, this is just an electricity-free way to make coffee. It is just brewing away perfectly. Okay guys, and let's taste the finished product. So strong, so much body, so much flavor, absolutely delicious. I'm definitely going to be using my Gvode Pour Over Coffee Maker, and you guys should do the same.